Hello and welcome to The Breakfast Buzz, the only news show that serves up delicious food and positive news. My name is Haley and I'm excited to get you ready for your day. We will be making a yummy parfait, but before we get to that, here's our top story. Furniture, meatballs, and now nature conservation, Ikea is stepping it up. CNN reports that Ikea's main investment group is aiming to preserve ecosystems and protect land from future development in Georgia. Recently buying 11,000 acres of forest in the U.S. southern state, this group wants to reduce more greenhouse gases than the stores emit and plant more than they harvest. This specific plot of land in Georgia has over 350 unique wildlife and plant species, including the endangered gopher tortoise and longleaf pine tree. The group's goal to keep and restore forest land from development around the world continues with this immense land purchase. Let's get started on the granola for our parfait. So to start off, we have our oats and we're adding all of our dry ingredients into the bowl first. Coconut, almonds, pecans, and then you add your cinnamon, dash of salt, melted coconut oil, and agave syrup. Make sure it's nice and mixed together and then add it to a parchment-lined baking pan. And now this granola is going into the oven at 300 degrees for 12 minutes. And then halfway, we mix it around a little bit, rotate it, and cook it for 12 more. Now while that's cooking, let's head outside for our next story. Today, February 3rd, is National Golden Retriever Day. One of the most popular dog breeds in the United States, Goldens are known for their playfulness, being smart, and working as great disability assistant dogs. NationalToday.com reports that Goldens were first bred in Scotland as bird dogs. Their soft mouths and retrieving capabilities were great for hunting. They later evolved as great service dogs and also as excellent search and rescue dogs for their sniffing capabilities. Now, let's head back inside before they sniff out my extra ingredients. Alright, so I put our granola in a bowl so it'll be nice and easy to build our parfait. But before we do that, here's our final story for today. If you thought the Marvel Cinematic Universe ended with Avengers Endgame, think again. HuffPost reports that Ryan Coogler is developing a Black Panther-style TV show for Disney+. You may recognize this name as the director of the highly acclaimed 2018 Black Panther movie. For superhero fans, this may not come as a surprise, but it's definitely an exciting note. Reportedly signing a 5-year deal with Disney, Coogler's media company plans on adding a lot more to the MCU in the next few years. The recently released WandaVision proves that Marvel fans are eager and ready for more. Marvel and Wakanda are forever. Now the first step to building our parfait is getting a nice glass, whatever you want to put it in. The bigger the better. So we're gonna add some layers in here, starting with our yogurt. You can use whatever yogurt you prefer. I'm then going to add some mango chunks, and sliced strawberries. And then the best part, the granola, just a little bit. And then you're going to repeat that process until your glass or your dish is full. And there it is. The fresh fruit and the homemade granola really take this to the next level. Thank you so much for joining me on The Breakfast Buzz, and I hope you have a great rest of your day. One of the United States' most popular dog breeds, Golden Retrievers. National Golden Retriever Day. Come here, puppies. Drop, 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 drop.